What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic song, True Colors, Cyndi Lauper. Nice. Okay, so this is not for beginners. It's a little bit harder. And this song doesn't actually have any guitar in it. It's all keyboards and stuff. So this is a take on that. Okay, standard tuning, let's go. First chords are without the melody. A minor, 1, 2, 3, B over C. That's first finger, B string, second finger, A string. C major to F. Two times, and if you want to play that cool melody, then play A minor 7 and grab low A string and high E string, A string and E string together, and then pick open B to a C and to a G. Then just move the bass from A to B and play the same high melody, and then C and then grab an F and you end with and then the song starts. She starts singing. You play A minor, pick it, B over C, C major, and then C with an E in the bass. That's the first finger on the B string, and then E here on the D string, second fret. So. F major, A minor to G. That's the first part of every verse. And then the second part is C major, D minor, 1, 2, 3, E in the bass over C. C. And then A minor to G, and end with F, C. It's going to take us to the chorus. Alright, let's do the verse one more time. A minor, B over C, C major, E over C, F major, A minor, G, and C major, B minor, E in the bass over C, A minor, G, F, F, C, and then True Colors. So True Colors is F, C, to G, then F, E over C, that we had before, F, G, F, F, C, F, A minor, and then C sus. C sus to C and end on G. Grab C, 1, 2, 3, and add pinky on 3rd fret, D string. And then it's back to the intro. F major, Now start on C. D minor, E in the bass, F, A minor, G, F, C, true colors, G, F, E in the bass, F, G, F, C, F, A minor, C, sa, C, C, sa, C. It's an instrumental part. Still the chorus of the verse. And then she starts singing here. Chorus. Here's a little bit different. Descending. C sus to C. It's 3 times. G. And then F, C, F, G, F, C. Here comes something cool. A flat diminished. That's 4 on the low E, 3 on D, 4 on G, to A minor, and this is where we're gonna end the song with. All right, cool guys. Let's go over the main parts really quick. We got the intro: A minor, B over C, C major, F, and the melodies. Yeah. All right, and then main verses: A minor, B in the bass over C, C major, E in the bass over C, F major, A minor, G, second part of the verse, C major, D minor, E in the bass over C, F major, A minor, G, F, F, C, and true color chorus. True chorus, F, C to G. F, E in the bass, F, G, F, F, C, F, A minor, C, sa, C, C, sa, C, and G. Cool, that's the main parts. Great stuff, great stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe, take it easy.